Introducing the Tohnichi DOT100N Torque Tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance for various applications. Covering a wide torque range of 10 to 100 Newton meters, the DOT100N is suitable for testing a diverse range of tools and components. Its large and easy-to-read analog dial provides clear and precise torque readings, ensuring accurate measurements every time. The tester incorporates a mechanical loading device that enables smooth and consistent torque application, enhancing testing efficiency. Designed for clockwise testing, the DOT100N caters to the requirements of various tightening applications. Simple and convenient calibration is made possible by rotating the handle, ensuring accurate measurements over time. With an overall length of 410 mm and a drive size of 1/2 square, the DOT100N is compact and easy to handle. The Tohnichi DOT100N Torque Tester combines precision, reliability, and ease of use in one comprehensive package. Invest in the DOT100N and experience the confidence of accurate torque measurements.